I'm gonna just do a product review. This is US General garage shelving. We got it from Harbor Freight for like a $99, usually $139 or something like that. And see if this is even worth it and if it's strong enough. Because I already bought 4 of them. It better be strong. The main thing is it's an easy assembly. I'll find out how easy it is. So these are the things gonna come in the box. 5 of this shelving. 5, and I think that's gonna be these posts, and these to make these individual ones. Hopefully somebody like me can put it together. One thing I was told by the guy who was at the Harbor Freight, don't follow the instruction. Instruction says to put all these beams together, like these together, but he told me to just make this and this separate, because he's the one put the shelving for the display at the Harbor Freight, and he said that was so much easier to do it that way. After putting up 5 of them, this is my advice. Build the bottom half first, and then start building on top of it. So this one we are doing a little bit different. We have a generator, we're gonna put it underneath it, so we're putting it quite high. And when you're putting these, we are trying to do 2 beams together and then mallet, going like this, and bang it. And it doesn't really work. So I think the best way is, you don't even have to have a mallet. You just bang it with 1 piece at a time to make sure this go in this groove. Because this is pretty tight. But once it's in it, it's pretty secure. So hopefully this helps. Everybody's making these. Cool thing about this rack is everything is metal. You know, most of the cheap ones have, this is a kind of particle board, or, you know, not plywood, but I think eventually it's gonna bow down. So I think once this is all put it together, it's gonna be pretty sturdy. So let's keep going. So you can see without putting it in all the way, it just never sits flat to that. So you have to use a mallet and wood and put it down.
The sound changes when you hit the last one.
Yeah. Did you actually mount it? Is it really all the way in?
I don't know.
But you kept pulling it out, you know?
Probably not.
You don't need to have a mallet. If you have a 2x4. This is where this metal rack is gonna sit. So make sure you put it like so. So this goes. What did you decide on?
13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's not impossible to make it by yourself, but definitely having more than one person makes it so much easier and less stressful. One by one is better instead of doing 4 at the same time. So now we have to put the middle 2 bars. That's the support for the, what do you call it, mesh lattice? What do you call these things?
Shelving.
Like
Wire
shelving?
shelving.
And when we put the metal rack, so this bar, the weld, the long one goes on the bottom, the short one goes on the top. That way, when you put the 2 tubs, it actually slides instead of getting stuck. I was thinking, because it's so high up and I'm so afraid of this being not stable, I was gonna just not putting a rack, but I'm gonna put the 1, 2, 3, the support bar. What do you think? That might be a smart idea to do that too, don't you think?
Sounds good.
Do you recommend this shelving? Very versatile. Like we end up doing not using one of the mesh, so we just put a little brace on the back so we can put the generator in front of it. Also, this shelving come with oops, these pieces that's gonna connect two together. This groove. So this have to be in here and just line up just right. And if it just line up right, it's supposed to work. It's supposed to work. Like it's coming. There you go. Yep, that's it. Just like that. So we are utilizing all the way to the ceiling. That's all I wanted to do. So if you're using just a 2x4 to bang these rails, make sure you do nice and straight so it doesn't mangle. Like I bent some. I bent that and I bent that. So don't force it. I mean, you might have to be forcefully put it in because it's pretty tight, but use it nice and straight so it doesn't make these marks. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pay full price for these, but when you put them together correctly, they are sturdy shelving, so it is definitely worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.